Hello guys, welcome back to our training. Hope you guys have been good. Hope you guys have been learning so far. Hope you guys have been practicing all that we've done in our previous classes. All right, I believe so. I believe so because I don't really want you guys to come and waste your time and not get anything or not achieve anything at the end of this training. So I would love us to pay attention to this class, pay attention to what you have been doing, and practice, please practice. I know that some of us have other things doing, but for the purpose that you have paid for this, you have to don't allow the money. I know the money is too small, but it's actually something. Let's not allow the money be a waste. Okay, so let's pay attention and understand what you have been taught and put them into practice. Okay, so in this our class, we are going to be doing something different. I told us to download Snapspeed, an editing app for mobile, for those using mobile, for those doing mobile graphics. Okay, so this app, you can use it to edit pictures, just like Photoshop. But this training in particular is for those that are using mobile graphics, so that you can make your designs look beautiful as those using Photoshop. Okay, so this app is majorly for photo editing your picture how you want it to look, and any of your your pictures and any other designs you want to make them look good. Okay, so this is the purpose of using this app. So if you have not downloaded this app, you can go to Play Store and download the Snapspeed. Okay, so it will help us. So let's quickly jump into what we have today, okay, without wasting much time. So this is the an image I imported. Okay, so once you download the app, you open it, they will ask you to click on a particular thing. Once you click on it, your image will just pop up. Okay, you just import any image you want to import, and then you can now start the editing process. So if you look at this screen now, you see that we have so many things here. We have portrait, we have smooth, we have pop, we have accentuate, and the rest of that. We just go through it. So I'm not actually going to be showing us everything here, but sometimes we are just going to explore. I'm going to try as much as possible to explain the few ones I have to explain, but then let's explore. Okay, let's explore. Let's make sure we go through some of these things ourselves and search for other things too and go through them. Okay, so as I said before, it depends on what you want. If you want how you want your picture to look. Okay, so for example, let me show some of my old designs, the designs I've made with my with Photoshop. So something like this. If you can see the editing this image right now, I use Photoshop to edit it to make the picture bright, to make it look really good. So and things like this. Okay, if there's a way you edit it, the picture will look will align with the color you are using to design and the rest. So this is like this image again, I edited it. So you can do the same thing using that using that app, Snapspeed app. You can use it. This image, I edited this image. Okay, so you can use the same process. Okay, so it depends on what you want, the feel you want your design to look like, and just make sure you know what you want, and then start applying the things you want. So if you look at this picture has been edited, so it depends on what you want. Okay, it depends on what you want to achieve. So once you know what you want to achieve, you can explore using this app. So let's continue. So this looks the kind of looks you want your design to look, to feel, and this is where you export. Once you are done with your editing, you can export here. You can export as JP, you can save as a copy in your phone or do any other thing. So let's try and explore it. Okay, you can also share. If you want to share to someone, share your image with people, or open it in another app. You can open it in another app, like for example, you can I believe you can open it in Pixel Lab. And let's check. Once you click on it, you then is there any Pixel Lab here? Let me check. Please, okay, see it here. You can click and let's see if it will open. So you see, after the editing, you can click it and open it in Pixel Lab, and you can use it for your own design. Okay, so let's go back to what we have. Let's go back to what we have. So this is Snap. So let's continue. This is tools. They don't have the I actually like the interface. There's no much confusion here. Everything looks very simple and understandable. You can understand what is being done here. Okay, so we have looks here by my left, and tools by the center, and exports by the right side. So but we are going to be using where the major work is this export. So let's click on export. So once you click on export, you can see a lot of icons here, the things that you can achieve using this app. So you can come over here to an image, and adjust and give yourself anything you want. Click here. The contrast, this is saturation, this is ambience, highlight, shadows. I taught us about colors and bright and the rest. So contrast, you can come here and click the contrast and draw it like this to your left, and you see the feel it gives. Depends on what you want. Okay, then you can also do other things too. You can do saturation, ambience, highlight, and the rest, and shadow. So it depends on what you want. Okay, you can just explore. Okay, let's just explore the app and see what we can get out of it. So let's continue. We have other things: details, saturation, structure. Actually, you see how they fuse, how it looks. So you can just try it. Once you are done, you save it, and then you can start using for your designs. And this is curves. So this curve, I use this curve a lot in this what's it called, exactly this curve in Photoshop. So you can give your this a different look of what you want. So just explore different color. You can give it a different color. See, red, this is red. What you want, this is green, and give it a different color, blue. Just explore. Okay, so let's continue. White, black and white balance actually. So see what you have here. Just drag left and right, it will colors will change, and to give you what you like. And you can explore that things and do explore temperature things. I taught you guys about things, what tint is all about. So see how the color. So it just depends on what you want. So just explore, and so the two. So there are other, just I can't actually and take us through these tools. Okay, so but we can actually go through them ourselves and understand how this thing looks. Okay, so it's actually easy. There's nothing hard in here. I don't even need to start explaining all of these things to us, but it's not actually difficult. So just once you open the app, just explore. You know what you want. Okay, and what you want to design. Depending on what you want to design, you know what you want. So just explore. Make sure you explore every button. Okay, you see here. Don't just leave anyone untouched. Double exposure. So for those, this one is used in Photoshop. Okay, double exposure. Can click on any other image. Let's see if you have something like this. And you see the effect it's giving you now. Can come here and change its lighting, darken, add, overlay. All these things you can use. All these things for those of us that will be using what's it called, that will be using Photoshop. All these things are there. So let's just explore, and you can actually come and reduce the opacity, increase or reduce. So depends on what you want. So let's take our time to explore all of this. Okay, let's explore all of this. This lens blur is very important. See the blur. It's clear now. Blur, background is blur. So let's explore. Okay, explore. Take your time, go through the app, explore, know what you want, and then save your image. After you are done, if you want once you want to use it, save it and start using it to create magic with your pixel lab. Okay, to help you, it will help you and help your design to be fine, to look very, very okay. All right, guys, so I feel like this is all we are going to be doing here. There's nothing much here, so let's take our time to explore this and go through every details here, and touch. Make sure you click and touch, explore, learn. Okay, touch everything here and see what the feels it gives you, okay, the feedback of what it gives you. Okay, just make sure you explore everything. Okay, so I'm going to be seeing you guys in our next training. So see you guys in our next training. Okay.